artificial intelligence is a kind of component in which human brains are working not only on their physical component as well as the artificial component to get the best. So that undoubtedly artificial intelligence is the best component and creation of human beings. But here I would like to quote one important thing. It is just like a knife. If you hold it with the edges, it may cut the hand, and if you hold it at the handle, it may solve many of the challenges of humanity. So actually the time has come to discuss whether it is a pros or a con, or especially if the topic is in the discussion part. So what is your reaction in that, and what do you feel that it is a positive part or negative part, or pros and cons? So one by one I would like to hear 30 seconds opinion of yours, and after that I will permit you for the discussion. And we are going to start from this side.
So as the topic suggests, artificial intelligence, it is the intelligence created by us to think what human mind cannot think. It is created to solve the problems with what a human normal mind cannot think. So in today's world, artificial intelligence is used in many fields, like it is used in the medicine fields, in tech fields, and in many more fields. It is going to be introduced to solve many more unsolved problems or myths. So artificial intelligence plays an important role. Like today's many surgeries are.
It is important role in humanity. Okay, next.
Definitely artificial intelligence has proven profitable for us, because now we are able to explore the areas that we haven't explored yet, and the researchers and scientists have more big domain to research on. Just like recently we have seen a ship Titanic that has went undersea to explore the Titanic, the original Titanic, and therefore this only proves that how we are able to advance in the field of artificial intelligence.
Okay, next.
Good afternoon, friends. So, artificial intelligence is definitely a boon for the entire humanity, as it itself means the intelligence that is provided to the machine and in the form of machine learning. So, as there are multiple advantages of artificial intelligence, but the major one is that it curbs the time. Whatever the thing that it does, it takes quite less time. And mostly we have seen that it is being engaged in hazardous activities, and those activities where there is a threat of life to the humanity, where the humans are getting killed or getting injured. So in manual scavenging, like in the deep sea mining, like in the mining of any minerals or other resources where the humans were killed, there we are using artificial intelligence to save the human life. So I think that if
it
a
is a
particular
very
thing,
good contribution that your friend has.